What is up, YouTube? Trading recap Friday, February 20th, 2026. This is gonna be a little late. So this is from last week on Friday, not this week. I'm posting it today though. Had a lot of things I had to do. I wasn't able to get it out. But I'm getting out now, so it doesn't really matter. I traded micro, E-mini, um, ES. New York session, my bias was bullish. Confluence of the trade, 5 minute order block, 5 minute equilibrium, and a 1 minute order block, and a 1 minute break of structure. The news, 5:30 a.m. Advance GDP Q/Q, core PCE, price index M/M, Advance GDP price index Q/Q, which all happened at around 5:30, which, what did I say? Went down and made a big wick. I'll show you on the 1 minute what it did. So, hold. I think it's this right here. 8:30. Boom. Or 5:30, whatever. I just, on my chart, it says 8:30. It was 5:30. Made a big wick and went down a lot. The other news, there was November data, new home sales, and at 7 a.m. there was new home sales. And where was that? Right here before the huge move up. It just went up a little bit. So here's what happened. Let me go back to the 5 minutes so I can show you the 5 minute confluences first. I'm gonna try to keep this one short. I'm not trying to make a 9 minute video. Uh, so let me show you what I saw. So we see, boom, order block. So you have the red line stating it's in the order block. This comes all the way down. See the wick comes into this wick right here, comes into this order block. Boom. Once you see it happen, come into it, that's a 5 minute order block. And 0.5 from this top to this bottom, that's in the equilibrium in the discounted price zone, which is this area. Now let me go to the 1 minute to show you what I saw. Hold 1 second. Alright, so I saw it come all the way down. It's in the order block around here. Um, so started coming up. After I saw this inverse, I was going to enter, but I made a mistake that I've been making for the past week, month, actually. This entire month I've been making this mistake. So I already kind of showed you a little bit, but when you put one of these down, I put one of these down because I'm like, I want to see the price because I don't like not seeing the price. And then I press this, I put my unit in, boom, I got my unit. Now I can see, like, oh, how much I'm risking. I only want to risk 50 bucks, and then I want to make it, oh, I want to come all the way up to here, boom. And then, and then I could buy it from that point. So that takes a little bit. It took a second, you saw. Instead of just pressing the buy button, which when I press the buy button, it doesn't show a menu. Like usually, it used to show a menu, like on paper trading, it shows a menu over here. But in person, it doesn't like show a menu. Hold up. Sorry, my dog wanted to get out. I don't know. It's just I've been making. I would have lost anyways, but I would have got probably better. Just risk to reward or something like that if I would have won. And yeah, I entered way up here. It was either me entering off of this, like after it came up, like past this part, like after the fair value gap, because of just how strongly it moved up, or like when it came down here, I was thinking of entering. But I just wasn't for sure. And then I just entered up here because I saw it was moving up really quickly, and it did actually break in structure here. Boom, boom, that's a break. One minute break of structure. Nah, but yeah, it went all the way down and then came up. Never actually swept this liquidity. It just stayed at equal highs, kinda. But on Nasdaq, let me go Nasdaq real quick. What was it? Friday on Nasdaq. This is what happened on Nasdaq. So here's where my trade was. It was like up here, something like that, right? On S&P. Yes, whatever. Uh, but yeah, see, as you can see, look at this. These two bumps, higher highs right here. Boom, boom, higher. Unlike S&P, couldn't actually sweep it. S&P divergence there. So yeah, that's kind of what happened. Maybe if I waited a little bit, I could have entered off of this little area. But just wasn't good entry and just maybe not a good trade in general. And that's pretty much all I can say for it. Just I don't really know what I did wrong. I guess I just didn't enter correctly first of all. I should have entered down here, maybe a little lower. And that's pretty much it. We lost the trade. It was at 710, and the profit slash losses was, let me check real quick. I lost $56.90. More than I wanted to. Okay. And yeah, that is the trading recap for Friday, 2/20/2026. And see you guys in the next trading recap.